It's hard for our families, but our families have done that to themselves. And so what we have to then do is change behaviours. Anybody can put anybody into a home, but it's the wraparound service that you've got to provide. We always want to get our families into work so that it's a long term, it's sustainable. It means that they've got more money to spend on their families. But if everybody sits on the benefit, they get there's no benefit of sitting on a benefit because there's no money in it. And that's what makes our families struggle. It's all about judgment, how people come over and how you receive people. And a lot of people don't like to be judged, especially in our Pacific space. That's what makes a local board. That is what success looks like for me. Get along, move for your community, not for each other. You're constantly reminding yourself. I am Phylis Latu. I am standing for the board because I believe in what I do.